The Adventure in the Animal Kingdom. In the heart of the vibrant animal kingdom lived a curious squirrel named Sammy. With fluffy fur and bright eyes, Sammy loved exploring the vast forests and bubbling rivers around his home. One sunny morning, he woke up with an exciting idea. It was the perfect day for an adventure in the mysterious Whispering Woods. Eager to share his excitement, Sammy dashed to find his friends. First, he visited Bella the rabbit, who was nibbling on some fresh carrots. "Bella, let's explore the Whispering Woods," he exclaimed. "Oh, that sounds wonderful," Bella replied, her eyes sparkling with enthusiasm. Next, they went to find Leo, the playful lion cub. He was practicing his roars nearby. "Leo, want to join us on a treasure